Stop by and take a look at the 2026 3500. Ram 3500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, dual rear wheels, front license plate bracket, traction control, electronic stability control, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.